SymReport is an easy-to-use system for your employees to perform workplace wellness check-ins to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Getting started is easy. From the website, SymReport.com, hit the Try SymReport Now button to set up an account. You'll need to enter your name as an administrator, your work email address, a password, and add your workspace name. Your workspace name will be your organization's name. In our example, it's Vandelay Industries. Your workspace slug is auto-generated based on your workspace. However, you may change it to shorten it to make it easier on your employees. Add your zip code and click the Create Your Workspace button. Your basic workspace is set up. You can always come back to your workspace by visiting the URL listed in the Announce box in the workspace. Let's take a look at the settings. Here, you may update your workspace settings, add in your company address, and modify the advanced settings. Currently, SymReport has by default 2 questionnaires, a detailed and a simple 3-question form. The state of Michigan does not require any specific language in the questionnaire, only that you are performing and recording screening questions. You may update the login help text and pass-fail text for your employees here as well. We suggest adding a phone number and email address for your people to contact within your organization if they need assistance. Lastly, you may opt into data sharing for sending anonymous data to government, health, and educational agencies if you choose. Hit Submit to save your changes. Next, let's add a roster by going to the Roster menu. Click the Import Add Employees button to upload a CSV of your employee roster. There are 3 methods of getting your company roster into SymReport. A method for adding employees with an email address, which will send them an invitation and allow them to set up their own password. A method for adding employees that do not have an email, which you will set a password for them. And lastly, a method for adding a kiosk user that allows for tracking visitors to your location at a kiosk or tablet station. The basic template only has an ID and password column. We've added the Is Kiosk column to also set up a kiosk user. The advanced template includes ID, password, full name, and email address. We'll do a simple import of the Vandelay Industry employees with a kiosk user. Download the simple import CSV from the menu and open it in Excel or Google Sheets. Paste your employee ID information in the first column. An ID could be an employee number, their email, or other identifier. In the second column, add in a password. If your ID is an email address, or if you're using the advanced import and provide an email address, employees will be able to reset their password to a password of their choosing. Once you've added the information to your sheet, save it as a CSV, then click Import Employee Roster button to start the process. Click the Upload Data from File button to start. Find your file in the File selection window and click Open. If you used the sample CSVs provided with the column headers, the system will auto-detect the column information. Confirm the column headers and click the Review button to preview what will be imported. If all looks good, click the Continue button to start the import. Depending on the number of employees in your roster, the import may take a few minutes. Once your roster has been imported, you may notify your employees that they may start checking in with your organization's SymReport workspace URL. For more information on SymReport and how to sign up for a free trial or to see what an employee check-in looks like, visit SymReport.com.